What's up, YouTube? This is Aaron, Family Value Hardwood Services, and you can see I'm out here on another hardwood job. I'm gonna be refinishing these floors. They're in a little rough condition here, as you can see. I'm gonna take you through in the next video. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna go ahead and show you exactly what I'm doing today. I'm gonna do a little time lapse, and we'll see how these floors come out. See you in the next one. All right, guys, so here we go. I think this is like a rental unit and got some issues. I'm gonna see here if we need to replace some of these boards. Take a look through here, take a walk through. Today I'm gonna be doing some sanding. From here. All right, and then in here. All right, so next clip, I'm gonna go ahead and start the time lapse, and we're gonna see how these things turn out. Go ahead, like and subscribe. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a little break here and just show you the progress. So I had to go with a little bit more aggressive grit on this floor because it had a ton of polyurethane on it. You can see there, I scraped up some just right here. So it's coming along here. Still got a lot more work to do, but it looks a lot better already. Got to figure out what I'm gonna do here. Like I said, this is for a rental. So we'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned. All right, so got everything sanded pretty much. I just have to do some finishing touches here. But there was, this was a hard job, so I'm not gonna put my face on camera because I'm pretty dusty, but there was some layers and layers and layers of polyurethane on this thing, years and years of layers. So got it all done, got it all sanded off. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just finish prepping it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put down the 2 coats of finish. So I'll show you that in the next video. I'll come back after I lay down. I'll try to do a video of me laying down the finish, and then I'll come back and show you the finished product. Alrighty, so I'm finally finished with this job, and man, this was a doozy, but the finished product, I'm gonna do a before and after. It came out great. The owner, he wasn't too concerned about the watermarks, so he didn't want to do anything with those. So take a look through here. This is a dramatic before and after. I know some of these rooms had some of those black marks. Those cleaned up a lot better than that front room, but I put 2 coats of polyurethane down on this. So that's it, guys. I appreciate you guys watching and asking questions. I'll try to answer them as best as I can, but I may not get to all of them. But go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in the next hardwood video.